We're back to teach you how to write the letter B. We'll begin with the uppercase or capital letter B. Okay, let's get started. Don't be afraid. We'll make it happen. Pause the video, take a piece of paper and a pencil. We're going to start practicing the letter B. I've got mine right here. Now watch closely. We're going to zoom in on the paper so you can see everything clearly. On my paper, you can see arrows that show how to write the uppercase letter B. There's also a full line of uppercase B in gray, which serves as a guideline to help me with the writing. Let's begin. First, draw a straight vertical line down. Next, add a half circle at the top, and then another half circle at the bottom. And there you have it, the uppercase letter B. Don't worry if you make mistakes, that's part of learning. Just erase them and try again. With practice, you'll get better and better at writing the uppercase letter B. See, I'm making mistakes too, and that's perfectly fine. We're only beginning to learn how to write letters together. Take your time, there's no rush. Just finish your first line carefully. Great job! You've completed your first line. All right, let's move on to our second line. This time, we'll try it without any guideline to help us. Remember, first, draw a straight vertical line down. Next, add a half circle at the top, and then another half circle at the bottom. That's your uppercase B. Hey, I'm sure you might think mine looked terrible, but please don't say that to a little child or even an adult who is just learning how to write. Everybody starts with poor writing at first. Now that we both learned to write the uppercase letter B, we'll learn how to write the lowercase letter b. To write lowercase letter b, start a line up. After a curve, go down, then come back in the middle with the tail to the right. You can do it. Mistakes are okay. They just mean you're learning and getting better every time. Here you go. We have finished the first line. Now, let's do the second line of the lowercase letter b. I am doing my best too, and they don't look too bad. Hey, we have not finished yet. Do you remember that we'd have learned to write the letter with my cousin on his mountain? Now, let's combine the letter B and the letter A to write the word Baba, which means dad in some of our countries. Okay, let's write the word Baba a second time. B-A-B-A. Great job! Today, we have learned to write the uppercase and lowercase letter B. Now, it's your turn to keep practicing. You can also buy our LIIAMRA Learning Workbook on Amazon to help you practice. But before you go, can you write the uppercase B or lowercase b in the comments? Hope to see you soon on the LIIAMRA Learning Channel.